Morning, YouTube. Sunday morning, Sunday fun day, making it Monday, money. Anyway, here's the trailer set up. Got everything pulled out, doing some property protection. Got a nice, beautiful home. Again, this is one I landed off the sign, off of my trailer, just to kind of show you the setup. Nice big soprano crib. Beautiful property, well landscaped. Got to be extra cautious at these properties because people that pay that much attention to detail in their landscape, and that should be a key indicator that they like their stuff nice. So let's kind of show you a little walk around real quick with this in property protection. Boom, boom. Painted brick, so it's going to be a nice, easy job. And he did mention the last people that cleaned the house blew a plug and didn't fix it, and he was kind of very upset. So I don't want to get too much. People are still sleeping. Nice pool. Would love to take a dip. But anyway, again, this is all from the yard sign. I'm sorry, not the yard sign, the trailer sign. The trailer sign, I was doing a job up the street, a driveway. He stopped, boom, got it, landed a customer. So anyway, we're gonna get set up, get rolling here, and then be back with you in a second. Guys, got everything cranked up. Just putting a little water on the vegetation. We did get a rain last night, and he has irrigation, so we shouldn't have a problem. Again, when you got customers that pay this much attention to detail, the last thing you want to do is mess something up. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and hit soap on. Soap should be coming out in about 15 to 20 seconds. So come on, Lizzie, get out of there. So we're gonna get some soap on here. And this is this brick is actually painted. So it's actually kind of, there we go, we got some soap now. So it's a little bit easier to clean. You don't have to worry about, wetting the brick down. So anyway, I'm gonna get some of this done and get you in a minute. As we're on the third section of the house, just getting a good rinse in. Everything went pretty smooth so far, so just make sure you rinse those windows extra good. Never hurts to put too much water on the side of the house. So, oh look, Tony, we got a little thing right here. All right, let me get finished in the front. I'll catch up. Just finishing up. Took us right at about an hour and a half with the 4-gallon machine. And got everything put back. Just doing a hose reel up and collect and move forward. And he had some I don't know if you could see it, but I don't want to go over these out. But that little area right here, it's a little walkway to the pool. It's kind of black and dingy, and the back patio was had a little bit of green. So I went ahead and sprayed it with the downstream. Quickly got it off. Throw them a bonus, because those type of things gives you repeat business. So go that extra step for your customer. Anyway, we're gonna pick up everything and sign out, and I'll do a wrap up here in a few. Peace. All right, guys, back at the house. Wrapped up the job. That's the only one we had today. Nice size ticket, big house. In fact, he says, oh, you got to do my neighbor's house. He's going to talk to his neighbor for me. So it's all about this networking. So, when you talk to people, ask them, hey, look, if you know anybody looking for something, appreciate it. Just trying to grow the business, and any help, referrals is appreciated. And 10 out of 10, they're going to give you a referral. So anyway, that's it for today. Sunday, we're shutting it down. Going to take a break, get ready for next week. And we downstream, just so you know, we downstream probably about 7 gallons of bleach for the big house, and that was it. So other than that, so keep it up, keep grinding. Go ahead and make that cheese. Peace.